Hello. So I'm back again. Um, and because this is my first time, and in the afternoon as well, I was started streaming, and I did one stream uh, stream in the morning. Yeah, in the afternoon somewhere, like for some hours. So this is my second stream of the day, and from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to still streaming like every day, but not in the day, but in the night, in the evening, around like I think 7 or 8, yeah, around 8. I'm going to start streaming, and yeah, so I think. Um, So yeah, so I'm going to start streaming at around 8. So I will schedule that as well in my streaming. So if you subscribe, then you will also get the notification when there is a event scheduled for at 8, you know. So give me a second. And before starting the stream, or I just want to share something as well. I just want to know if my voice is going correct as well. If you're new to the stream, please, you can also subscribe to the channel and all. And also, um, and also there is other stuff as well I want to say. I was actually start building an app called AI Travel Planner, which was I was building in the morning. As you can see, this is we are build till now. We are using cloud design to build that app, but we are start first using we're going to I'm using design to start with the building stuff. So I build something, as you can see, and then it will generate it, and then keep it clean, and it will generate the complete plan. So as you can see, this is it. And then, but this is just a start, and then then I thought again about something else. I was like, instead of direct building the application, what are the problems we faced all the time as a solopreneur, or as a no code builder, as a wipe coder, as a app developer, or as a developer, or as a startup. Uh, and whenever we have this problem, what are the problems we face? So in the beginning, we don't have ideas. That's the big problem when you're trying to build something um, with the no code tool, and you're looking for all the time ideas, right? And if you find the idea, you don't know how to start with, and you don't know where we can start. And if you can really start it, if you really have the all data, you just go to the chat GPT and you start looking for, okay, give me the steps and all the stuff, right? And then there is the steps, and again you will always looking back to the chat GPT. Again, you're trying to follow, but you missed a lot of time, and there is no task you can manage, right? There is no way. There's a lot of different application in the market, but there is no, like, I don't find yet that the where you can start the journey, beginning start with the idea till the end of like launching and getting a revenue, like earning a real money, So that's something like a complete journey. Nobody, I think, covers, or some, I don't know if somebody covers it, but I don't have anyone. So I'm going to build that application to manage my complete project on that application. So I'm going to build that one first, and then I'm going to use myself that application to build my AI travel planner app. So that's something I'm gonna do it, right? So what I can do first, let me just start the project. Uh, I started the different project last time. Let me just close this one, and I'm going to uh, new window, close, and I'm going to start first. Create open folder, or yeah, open folder to downloads and Google Anti-Gravity and new folder. So we can call it a builder build. Okay, no, wait. Builder OS. For the time being, I'm just calling the name. Later on, we will also decide the other names, for this platform. But for now, I will just use Builder OS, the name for the platform. And as you can see, I'm already having some of the models. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to use some of the already existing models by anti-gravity. I'm trying to not to use cloud. I mean, not to use my own cloud, which I can also use, right? Here you can see the cloud. You know what? I will just, yeah. So not to use a cloud. uh yeah, use the cloud, but like more like um not my I mean, first I want to try to use all the anti-gravity prompts, anti-gravity AI models, which is the free one, right? So why should I use my paid versions, which I also have a limit, right? So I can just close this. And where is my cloud? And let me go here, settings. I also have limited users, right? I have a free, no, I don't have a free, I have a paid version, but still. So I'm gonna close this one, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm also using ChatGPT at the other side. So what I'm going to build the OS, Builder OS for to use. But what's the actually plan? What is exactly the Builder OS? What is the idea behind it? So this will be going to be like a AI operating system for developers, indie hackers, freelancers, startup founders, and solopreneurs. So, and what we're gonna cover, and what is the logic for that? The idea, and it will be start with the idea and research and product PRD and roadmap and task and development, testing, deployment, launch, marketing, analytics, and revenue. If I'm going to try to cover the most important things which is needed for any entrepreneur or anyone who's going to start their own journey or their new journey with vibe coding or any other development or mobile app or anything else. So let's start it. I already have some prompt. So for my first foundation prompt will be, you'll be acting as a senior software engineer, blah blah blah, and I'm using Supabase as a database for this, and I'm going to use a Netlify because we're going to launch this on a platform as well. So let me just copy the complete one prompt, because I also create the prompting in phases. As you can see, there is then second phase authentication, then dashboard, then workplace management, a lot. So let's first start building the foundation. We are acting as we are building production ready SaaS called Bureaus, who is not a task manager. Yeah, for operating system for developer and startup. Blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of things. Yeah. So requirement and so let's see how it will build our OS. And for now, I'm just going to use the existing models. So I'm going to use Gemini 3.5 Flash Medium 1. I know the high model is also really faster one, but I know this is I also used a Flash 3.5 Flash medium with a medium speed. It's also good. I know a little bit slower than the high, but yeah, it's also still it's good, So let's start using it. Let me just there is also a way you can no actions no. So let's because normally it says also other way. We can also set okay. Let me check. Okay, allow running the command. Yes, allow this time. No, tell the agent what to do instead. No, let's run the command. Submit. So it just generated implementation plan. So we'll quickly take a look. Video is a plan, outline, architecture. Video is AI-powered operating system. Can start a founder, highly scalable. Decision, best practices, enterprise growth grouping, public pages, landing, features, pricing, authentication, core application, setting the coupled business logic. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, so let me verification. But you know what? Um, like it says that enterprise grouping, public pages, landing, features, pricing. So, okay, core application workspace with dynamic sidebar navigation settings. Okay, let's proceed with this. Let AI can do this magic. It's again, you know what? I think I need to mention somewhere what I'm building because it will be easier as well for to understand. Right now, I'm building a Builder OS, the project. It's like a AI powered operating system. I'm getting all the messages. AI powered operating system for developers, startup, and founders. Why I'm building this first? Instead of start continue working on our the cloud, our AI travel planner application. First, I want to build this because this is always the pain point for all the startup, all the vibe coders, and they always having this issue. But I feel that let's build this system, the platform first, and then we can use this list. Okay, task list tracking. Yeah, I start building these things. It's not, if it is not visible, I will like put like this. Okay, yes. Like saying npm install Supabase, yes. Act React hook, Taiwan merge, yes. So what I'm building AI powered operating system for developers and for startup founders like us, right? And also vibe coders. So first we're going to use that platform, and then I'm going to use that my platform to build build the AI travel planner completely from start to end. So let's wait. I know this will take a little bit time, but yeah. So but this is actually the first step. And first thing I want to do it before actually jumping into the real thing, because possibly once I build this platform and then if we launch it in the future, you guys can also use it, right? For building your platforms and from scratch to from start to end. In that way, it can help you as well instead of not just for me. But yeah, that's why first I'm building this platform. Um, yeah, let's wait. If you are new to the stream, I will also request you can also subscribe, and if you also like to the stream, if you'll start liking it as well. Um, hey, hi, social holic. Hey, hi, how are you doing? So now I'm building first AI powered operating system for developers and startup founder. This is not my core product, guys. This is gonna be the best tool I want to create or build it. So we can not, I mean, not just me, but like for look people like me, the vibe coders or startup founders or solopreneur, they can use this product or platform to build their journeys and build their billion-dollar ideas with this, which can help them. So yes, I'm going to use it, but not now. What I'm doing actually right now, I'm using uh, model from models from the Google anti-gravity. And this is free for me at the moment, right? Until I consume all the tokens from the Gemini. This is the free tokens comes with this initial model, initial account. So I'm not using anything paid at the moment. I'm trying to utilize what we get the for free, the best model as well. This is also a nice model. I use it for different type of app platforms to build. So later on, once I'm consume or use all this thing, then I'm gonna I can also shift it to. But the Fable one, trust me, the Fable Fi, it's also consume a lot of resources, the tokens, so quickly, too quickly. So then you also have to think about more like how you can utilize other models. For example, this platform. So at least I can run and I can first build the platform with this, and later on for the other, I still have a backup, So and because I think because of this, it also give you kind of idea that how you can utilize some other free resources to build your platforms instead of directly start you consuming your paid ones as well, which you can end up using everything. And if you are new to the stream, I will love to you can if you can subscribe to the channel. We don't have a big goal today. We have only 500 subscriber goal. And yeah, and in that way, we can also build. We're also building the community because once I'm going to cross 500, I'm going to do something different, which can be also help you guys to start or complete your journey. Start your journey with the vibe coding. If you're not aware of anything, doesn't matter. You can make it happen, and still you can do it. And if you're new to the stream, please you can just comment. You can type like, "Hey, hi, I'm building this." And also, guys, one more thing. With in this live stream, what I'm doing, I'm also reviewing your platform or your app, or if you're building something or you already built it already, I'm also going to review it. uh, and also uh, showcase on the website. This is not a promotion at all, anything. This is all about the I love, so actually I'm really excited when somebody builds something and I get a chance to start using it or try it, So if you build something social, holic, are you building something or not? I don't know yet. Because in the last stream in the afternoon I also done one stream. In that stream I also tried some of mobile application. I checked that, and yeah, so let's this is done. Let's take a look. I have completed building and verifying the project foundation for builder os. Great idea, social, like I'm building an online psychotherapy, physiotherapy, right? No, not psycho. Sorry, guys. Physiotherapy SaaS. Okay, yeah, nice. And you already built that, or you just started? And which tool you're using? Is it a no-code, or are you a developer, or what? Scaffold, Next.js, some have completed work. Taiwan. Okay, nice. Supabase integration, okay, premium layouts, navigation, okay. So what are we gonna do? Let's run with the terminal. Guys, if you are also new to the anti-gravity, and let me know if you're also, if you want me to also explain a little bit about anti-gravity, how that's work, or how you can start with the basic stuff. Tell me that. Just put it into the chat. Oh, nice. Okay, nice. Great job, Sociaholic. And let me know alternative for. Oh, wow. That's uh that's great. Building Google Meet alternative for my Physio SaaS. But is it not going to be costly as well, or something, the streaming service you have to use uh, for your application? Because the Google Meet is kind of a not streaming, but like a calling service, right? Because when I was building something like a video calling application or something last time, I'm developing on LiveKit open source. Uh-huh. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let me just open this URL here, guys. And yeah, one more thing, I already built, instead of using this browser, I'm gonna show you something really great. So as you can see, I already built my own browser called Aether. This is not yet published. This is still in the beta testing, and I'm going to use my browser for myself. Um and I know this is look a little bit like a Chrome, but it's not a Chrome, guys. There's a new features which Chrome also don't have it. So I know this is a really basic one. Basic, I mean, with the basic structure, and this one also have inbuilt spreadsheet, which you don't need to log in and all and crawl at all. So let's not go move to that one. Let's me what I'm looking for, what actually I'm looking for to open this one. Let's see if this is will be opened. Control. No, I don't want to open it in a Chrome, so that's why I'm just trying to copy it. Oh shit, I just closed. Yeah, Ether Pro. Okay, anyway, follow link. Open it. No, I don't want to open it here. I want to use in my browser. Let's see how this will react. Okay, so this is it. Um, this is it, and this is just start. So I think I can click on Open Console or sign in. I don't think so. There will be anything on sign in. Yes, because we haven't set up any or any database, so the signing will not work. But let's open. Oh, bro, I need to set up for signing because we are building in the stages. So as you can see, I already have phases for that, and that's why first I need to set up my Supabase authentication, and then I can actually build it. So let's copy authentication. Requirement Supabase authentication, Google login, or GitHub login, email login. I don't want it. You know what, guys? I also did it last time. Set up the Google login as well. It's not too hard to set up Google login, but for now, I will just keep it to the like a normal email login, and let it build, and then later we can use it. So I'm just giving it phase two, phase. Let me call the phase two. Now build authentication requirement, all the stuff. So as you can see, I'm almost, I think I use your quota for this model is running low. And then what I can do, I will use the Cloud Sonnet 4.6 and let me just hit enter. Guys, if you're new to the stream, I'll be happy that if you can subscribe to the channel as well, because this is something like a real journey of anyone's life who wants to build something in their life with a vibe coding. Everyone, sometimes you guys watching hundreds of videos for like, okay, how can I start? And then you're stuck with a lot of stuff. This is like a real time. This is not a scripted at all. I'm not thinking about scripting at all. And not I'm just building what I'm building. So because and I have some experience as well with this. I built already some of the applications. I will quickly show you as well. uh, Brand scan AI. This is also in the testing mode right now. What this app is doing, that AI search visibility for brands that wants to win. So it will track, analyze, and improve the brand performance on AI search platform through metric like visibility, positioning. Because whenever somebody typed anything in the chat GPT and try to search, and then if it is a brand appear on that search, that's something you can also. This is mostly for the brands, this platform. So I'm still working on this one, and I completely build this uh, with anti-gravity and a different model. So yeah, what I can do? Okay, okay. Let me check the plan. Authentication architecture. I will just stop the server. Okay, layer server action. Supabase auth SDK. You know what, guys? You can also connect the Supabase directly, directly from here, from the anti-gravity as well. But I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do some more practical way, more manual stuff. Not everything automatically. Why? When you actually doing stuff manually by yourself, then actually you're learning some stuff. you know if you just leave it like to the leave everything to the AI to make it and remove it and all, then this is like then you also because when you actually going to have this real problems in the future, then also you are going to face a lot of problems, and you're not able to fix that as well. You're able to it because of with the, again, AI and all, but it's best if you know about more about database, how this work and all. So it's good for a bit for basic understanding. It's always good. So I know that I need to have and a Supabase account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going on Supabase. So if you guys don't know about what is Supabase and what is that, so you can also a little bit search about it. But I will quickly tell you, Supabase is like Supabase is like more like it's like a serverless database where it's most of the stuff is it's really easy to go, and they also give the AI options, and it's really easy to manage. And also they can also offer authentication as well, age functions, and most of the stuff. So it's good. Let me check if I have and I'm using free one. I don't have any subscription yet for Supabase, but and they because they every I just need to delete this because you know what, I don't want to use this anymore. I also created some more earlier Supabase, so I'm gonna do that. I need to delete the project. I need to enter license IQ. This is one of the project when I was started doing it a long time back. Okay, now I can create a new project, and we can call it's yeah, project name. It's gonna be the builder. Guys, if you're new to this channel, and if you're watching this first time, like how you can create a Supabase, what is Supabase, and this is your going to be your backend database, which is the most important thing or important thing for your project. Doesn't matter which project is that, but if you want to store your data, your users, and everything, you're going to use a Supabase for that. So this is I'm just calling builder yes. For now, I just have to set up the password. Yeah, you can just use it anyway. And also, you can also select the region for you because I based in Netherlands, so I think uh, anyway, doesn't matter because but basically it's like which is the closest server you want to have. So I want to just use European. It's also dependent on when, in which country you want to publish your project, you launch your platform. Because sometimes, if you're from America, if you're from Europe, if you're from India, they wants to have their server. If like your customer, they want to want to have you're using the server in India, or if you're based in Europe, they want to have use server from Europe as well. So it's dependent as well. But for now, I will just use Europe. Enable data API, automatic exposure, new fab tables. Yeah, Ariels. So this is also always I'm always um, recommend to use the row level security. This is really important for your projects as well. This is kind of a security feature. So let me just create the project. So okay, so now I just set it up, create a project in Supabase. So for my database, because now as you can see, oh wait, yeah, it's fine. Accept all the changes. Now I already use all the data. I don't have anything left. So now is the time to I need to use. Hey Thor, bro, I love Thor, guys. Bro, looking at your name, I've got a little bit emotional. He's my favorite Marvel character as well. So yes, not before the Iron Man, and but yeah, still Thor. Yeah, bro. So as you can see, I just pulled it, but now I need to use actually cloud code as well because of I used all my tokens here. So you know what? Let me just use no, but I already used it this one. No, I haven't used continue. Let me just finish this completely. Continue. So I just created the Supabase database because this is going to be used by any kind of a product, whenever you're building something. So this is like your database. Right now we don't have anything yet, but we will going to create our database as well. And that commands and that everything queries we will also get it from our database, like our from our AI. So bro, I reached all the limit. Dismiss, accept all. You know what? Let me just jump over to my own AI for not own AI. Sorry to just call it the own AI. But like I have a cloud subscription, so I'm going to use that as well. Settings. Nowadays, this AI is they're consuming a lot of this quickly consuming a lot. Uh, effort medium plan. No, actually auto continue continue where other yeah model stops because of quota. Let's see if this can be, if you're watching this live stream and if you're new to this channel, I'll be happy that if you can if you subscribe to it and if you can also comment as well. And okay, because if you're new to the channel, I know that you don't know what I'm building. So right now I'm building the platform called Builder OS, which is going to be the OS for a solopreneur like me, or vibe coders or developers, so which can help them to start their journey from start to end, as you can from see that from idea to find the idea to research to PRD to roadmap and task development, everything. So before building my real idea, I'm going to start building this. So let me go back here. So you can see, does this already, I don't have any context from prior session or model. This is, so there is no earlier work for me pickup. Could you let me know what we're working on? Okay, so you know what? Just stop using my tokens and I will give this second one. Uh, phase 2, and we already build related to this. So check if this exists or continue. This is cool. Continue from there. Okay. Okay, so now it will going to check if I already built that stuff. If I already no, I'm like my AI already written some code about that, so it will not again writing the same code again and again, and it can save the token as well. And I want to just show you that extension and open router. Is it the open router is here? No, this is not a real one. No, 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 no. No, they don't have any open router real one. Guys, if you're new to this channel, love to if you can subscribe it, and you can join also my journey, and we can build a product together. And you're also building something. I love if you can also share in this chat, then the idea what you're building, and I will also review your product if you want. It's not any this is not any promotional thing. This is just helping each other stuff. And yeah. So for now, I'm just building the. Oh, okay, let me just close this. You know, and public now source. So build a lot of stuff already. Okay. Oh, I don't want all this. Let me just close all. Go back here. If you're just watching the stream, I love if you can also comment something like if you're also building something, or if you like to share your idea, or where you from, so at least I can know that where you guys watching from. uh, so now what I found fixed. Okay, caps the flag before you can call is done. Environment placeholder subs. Okay, so now I already have the Supabase environment file. This is, guys, this is the most important file for your project as well, where you can store all your API keys and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just to quickly, um, this is my project URL. So yeah, I just created the Supabase project, right? So what I need a project. Settings, I need to go there. I need the API keys. Before that, I need general. No, wait, not here. Project settings. Oh, wait. Nowadays, I'm like acting. Yeah. So I need the project URL as well, and publisher key. Which keys I needed? Supabase URL. Yeah, project URL. So I'm going to just copy and paste my project URL. Connect my with a real database. And then what I need more Supabase anon key. The anon key I will not get from here, but I'll have to go to project settings and go to the API keys. And yeah, give me a second. I just have to copy the anon key. Anon key, copy. I just got my anon key. Guys, I know this is like a really important files that I don't want to show you, but it is what it is. I think since I don't see much of Streamlabs. Let me check the security. I think it's really going to be tight security from Streamlabs. So I don't see more of the. I just added all the keys. Just give me a second. I'm looking for something. And cloud bot. Yeah, it's too high security, I guess. What's going wrong? Is it stop? Uh, is it blocking my viewer or something? For now, just let me keep it off. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay. So let's go back here. But you know what? I still don't have a database yet. But I need a database, right? So I need to find a SQL file, or there is no SQL file. Okay. Um, Let me also run the terminal. Pim run dev, and let's open our project and open console. Okay, so it will not work at the moment, but bro, just go away. Let me just okay. So what I can do, I need to why this is unhealthy, bro? Yeah, okay, this is good. So I need to just go back. Before doing that, I need to go to the settings, authentication, and email. No, not email. Where is it? Sign in providers. And I need to turn off the confirm email. Otherwise, first I need to confirm email. Then only I'm able to log in. So this is I'm going to enable it, but not now. Right now we are at the testing phase, so I don't want to use it now at the moment. Uh, there's some settings which you can also do. Secure password change, require current password when updating. Yeah, 6 is fine. Password requirement. No, for now I will just leave it like this. So cancel, and let's go here and let's create your workspace. This is my first time, right? So I can just type Akash, uh, tech builder. Or I can say tech builder Akash. Yeah, I mean using just something like a fake email ID. So like more like Akash @admin.com. Yeah. So I'm just using the same as a password. So this is everything on localhost, guys. This is not something online. What apps that contains at least one, bro? This is going really nice. I know. Um, tech builder, gosh, must contain. Okay, let me see if this will work. Or, no, it's fine. Okay, so I understand. Something is wrong. What's wrong? So let me just We have created any tables and all. Okay, because as you can see, if I just try to build it, but if you go to the date authentication, I don't receive anything as well here. Um, no, not yet. So as you can see now, it's creating a Supabase and schema as well for the Supabase. Two things it doesn't note one current code reads. This Okay, it says that it's needed. It's not needed a table, but you just copy this one. Let's go back here. SQL editor, paste, select all, run selected. The queries include destructive operations. It may permanently change or remove data. So you always have to be careful when you're running any query because it can also change database. It can update your database. It can remove some stuff because your database is everything, you know. And now as you can see, I just added the created the profile and everything. What do you do for work? I'm an IT manager. I'm working as an IT manager in the Netherlands. So yeah, I'm a IT professional since last my 10 years of in my life. I also built some of the stuff like with vibe code and so some of with a little bit coding as well. I don't know much about the coding. That's one of the thing I want to be honest with you. But I know things. I know how to think, how to make things. Like how to build platforms and apps and all. So I already created this. Let me go back to anti-gravity. You know, let me restart the server. Normally we don't need to restart it. Just go back here. Let's refresh it, you know, and yeah, just type Akash, Akash@gmail.com. No, I'm getting fetch failed. What is that? So I can say more while creating an account. But it's look like it's something with my .env local file. I think did I write something wrong? Because normally it's something with the API key or Uh, let's see what the AI can answer. Where are you from, Thor? Um, if you can answer, if you like to answer. And guys, if you're new to this stream, I loved if you can also subscribe to my channel. And in that way, you can also you're motivating me as well. I'm from India. Oh, great. So are you a developer or are you also from IT or which field you're from? Okay, so it's still thinking and doing a lot of stuff. I think I was thinking to, add I'm in college. Oh, nice. So what are you studying? Oh, okay. So you like development or you're a full-time, I'm like a full-time developer or like another full time, like a full stack developer, or you it's just like a your hobby or something, and you're thinking to develop something like, any tool or any platform. Okay, okay, okay. Because it's last time it's just taking something old thing. Let me try. Oh, because do we don't save anything or what? Okay, let me just close this. Let me run the server again. One, yeah, yeah, full stack there with AI knowledge also. No DevOps. The job market is so bad over here, man. Yeah, that's true. It's not the only in India, but also everywhere in the world. The job market is, it's kind of um, really crowded all the time and not, you know, best at the moment. But I will say, we don't have to think about all the people, but you can always looking at yourself first, and you can see, okay, what do you want to do? I know that you have to apply for like a more than 10 jobs before you're applying for two jobs and you get it something. But I will say apply for 10 jobs, apply for 100 jobs a day, or make it more smartly, that, or you can build something by yourself, start building stuff, and then you can also showcase in your resume. Let me just log in. Full name, Akash at gmail.com. Okay, give me a second. Man, but it's only should remove the password, not complete full name and all. Yeah, so keep it doing, don't because there's a lot of reasons in the life to demotivate, but there's only some of the reasons that you have to create it to motivate yourself. So keep it yourself, keep motivated, and as you can see, I'm getting some errors, but that doesn't mean that I need to stop, right? Um, I will, because I think it's already registered. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, this is already there. How come this example will be created? I didn't created that. Let me just delete this both user first, and let's go back. Let me refresh. What is this error? A tree hides some of the attributes doesn't match in the client properties. This one we patch up. This can be happening if run server client branch. Okay, you know what? I will just cookies, delete the cookies, and let's see. This error again. No, this is about just refreshing the tab. Um, gosh, at gmail.com. Great. So finally, I'm successfully we sent the verification link, but I stopped. Like, let me go to this authentication. Project settings. Give me a second. Where is my database authentication? Emails. No, sign in provider. Yeah, I don't have a confirmation email, but why it is asking me for confirmation? Back to sign in. Oh, great. Nice. So we are successfully signed in. I will just little bit make it small myself so you can guys see much of important stuff instead of my face. My face is not that much important, I know, but you can see some more important stuff. And as you can see, there's a Builder OS in the left side menu, console. I don't know. This looks nice. A little bit more technical, right? AI architect. No, this is not yet build. Build and codes. Deployment. No, it's not yet build. The function is not yet build. Configuration is build it. Accounts, user ID. It's also give me user ID. Security, password reset. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is just we started, so definitely I'm going to do a lot of stuff with. Oh wow, this one also have. Oh, now I'm like shining like a sky. This one also have a light. The toggle button for theme. So let me just put it in the black and white. It's look good now. There's also already a configuration page, but actually, oh, okay, this is something UI, base UI. Definitely, I don't say that this is like really bad or something, but I will say more like this is a start, guys, you know, and Thor, don't cry, bro. It's fine, there's a lot of things happening in the world, so crying is not the option. So you deploy authentication callback. Okay, you know what? This one also build this sidebar panel toggle. So this looks more like a for technical view. But this is just a start. And as you can see, we just built this part. We also have to build the premium dashboard, such dashboard, good morning section. There's a lot of things to still needs to be built, right? So let's go and continue to the anti-gravity. Let me just check my um, uses. Yeah, see, that's why I'm using the low, uh, so that can be nice. Whoa, whoa, wait, what? Phase 3. So until now, I just started looking at the phase 3, and on the meantime, we were looking at our uh, and first what I always believe, let's first build some like a features and all, and then later on we can more work on a UI stuff, to improve the UI and all. Because I also have some inspiration for UI like this, for example, kind of this UI with a nice font or with nice design and all and all. So, but I will, I was thinking to let it go for now, like this. And first, let's build the features, and then we can work on font and UI stuff, because that's definitely important, but not at this moment. Active, what is things? Core CPU load. I think you can also connect your hosting, and then you can looking at your everything in the one place. Service API latency, if you can also connect that DB connections. I don't think so. We need this one here. Startup setup, initialize Supabase DB, deploy build to Netlify, setup analytics console. Deploy build to Netlify. So you don't have to go to the Netlify and you can have to deploy it. But launch system, what is going to do with that? Let's close this. I think I just made some kind of a mistake or didn't create any. Oh, it's just started working on a clean set of primitives. All listing style. Let's verify the build still phases fast as this had additions. I was thinking to first put the plan on, then build it, but I missed that part. So the project already shipped the best UI. Um, let's see, is this something change? But this looks a little bit good, bro. This is still okay, you know. Have some issues, but this is still okay. We will fix it. Other issues, you know. That's something. Yeah, this is not yet working. It's fine. Open console. We already logged in, so that's why it's working like that now. Uh, configuration, console. It's looking really static or technical. What it's gonna do? Deploy to Netlify. Oh yeah, architecture initialize. Hmm. There's also some stuff. So what are we gonna do? Just waiting. Okay, now it's created a to-do like build a generate grading header, workspace later, stat card, today's progress, calendar widget, quick action, recent projects, upcoming tasks, recent activity, AI suggestion, recent build notification, top view, page and animation, update dashboard skeleton to match new layout. At least there's a lot of things it's now working on. So you can check there's lots of stuff. I'll just want to take a screenshot of this, the first one what we built in the beginning. Mm, first build, not here. Uh, Builder OS, new folder, inspiration. Just for now, I will just put it here like this. Okay, let's close this one. Let me just close this one as well. Now, this is also working on something. And I also found one really amazing stuff, right? When you like, you can also make money while you're building. So what is that called? Make money while using Cloud AI, AI or something like that. There is a one app somebody make. I don't know what is that called. No, I don't want to watch this. I watched this one of the AI with a loading screen, make money while cloud working. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the one I'm looking for actually, I guess. Kickbacks. Wait, not a kickbacks. 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 Is this something? What is that? How to install it, bro? And bro, bro, he goes viral actually. 17.5, 2 months ago, he just bought the domain, get paid for waiting. Advertisers photo. And this look like this is completely built with the AI, this platform. Paid live for most watchers. What's winner on earth? Bro, this is great. User login, continue with Google, eject all. What country do you live in determines the payout eligibility. Netherlands. No, I use the data. No. I will use the YT account. This one, that's right. Payout country, Netherlands. Set up payments. See how I can set it up. Uh, Refresh report. Signed in. You're kicking us in. Count mode. User ID. Connect. Private mode. Where is how I can set it up? This stuff. Now I logged in, but install, right? Opt-in. Let me just open here, and this is done. So I can just wait, but I can also run from here, right? Oh, wait, let me just open new window. I don't want to do any mix up fuck up here. Dismiss. Where is my cloud? It's coming. Let's see if this will work. There is no kickbacks. I don't know how do you use this. Paid while you're working ABC Media. Is this a kickbacks? No, right? Okay, anyway, this is not our. Let's go back to our platform. Let's continue over there. Um, so we are done here. Let's check our project. Let's close this thing. This is what we don't want it. Check. Okay, so let me just go to the console and refresh complete one. Oh, nice. So now, as you can see, it's built the rest of stuff here. It's also notification, deployment, new comment, join, teammate join, active projects. It's also create some kind of a dashboard, um, nice dashboard also. And two files this week's active projects, team members, deployments, today's progress, and calendar as well, new project. Yeah, this will invite teammates, deploy new document. And this is recent projects. You can also open the projects we all did created. Recent activity, document, onboarding, automation. Okay, you know what? Now let's move into the next step. Let's build the next phase. Yeah, it's building very well, so it's fine. The medium will also fine for us, so we can build with that. Okay, so now we are building a phase 4, and if you're new to the stream, now I'm building the builder OS. which is gonna be the useful platform for the all the solopreneurs, all the entrepreneur, or also like a tech entrepreneur mostly. And from the start to end as well, you can get to know. This is still in that like a first phase of it. And let's and now I'm building it. Okay, so let's let it build. The other side I was looking for. Guys, if you're new to the stream, I will suggest you can also comment in the chat. Then I'll get to know that you're liking the stream. You can also like to the stream and like video and subscribe it as well if you're new to the channel. Then you'll get also notified when I will back as well. This is still in the progress. This is actually really one of the going to be one of the most useful tool for myself as well. So for now, we're just focusing on the phases of building the stuff, building the phases, not like a complete application at the moment, but yeah. So let's see. First, we are actually now we are building features, invite members, create workspace, workspace settings, workspace logo, workspace color, workspace roles, owner, admin, member, workplace feature, workspace analytics, Supabase relations, production ready. And then we're going to build projects and build project management. Project contains status, deadline, roadmap, and task, documents, activity. So this is gonna be amazing tool for all the solopreneur, wipe coders, and I'm also going to add one more feature to research, R&D, like for when you're going to looking for an idea, right? And you don't know what to build and what to create, and there's a good idea. So you can also start with that. You can get an idea, and then you can start your complete project. So phase six will be like in building Kanban and task management as well, planning, testing, drag and drop. This is another say, and then another one says seven documents and notes. I'm creating so it can also save all the documents and everything in the one place. And then phase eight will be AI workspace, features, AI project planner, and AI PRD generator, roadmap generator, database designer, API generator, feature breakdown, task generator, sprint planner, bug explainer, AI error fix, daily summary, weekly summary, AI, changelog, release notes, architecture must support OpenAI Cloud GPU, open router use provider pattern. Never hard code a single AI provider. So then you can use your own API, or you can also connect your own accounts, over there. And nine roadmaps, timeline, milestone, epic, feature, dependencies, progress. Then analytics as well, and then polish like all the important pages like 404, some animations, loading skeleton, beta launch, going to launch it. So let's see. Um, Actually, I missed this. I should use this in phases. Okay, anyway, I will use in the end. That's why I have this kind of different board. The UI is a little bit like this, you know. So white one is looks a little bit good. but I will keep it for now, this one, until we build it completely. Uh, and redirector, pass through auth actions, create workspace dialogs. And I mean, yeah, it's fine. I don't know. I don't think so. We need to have like a um, complete administrator as well for this platform. But anyway, now it's part of it, right? Token acceptance page. This is actually building really big product platform, which I was not thinking of it in the beginning. But it's fine, you know. Hey, hi, Coder 1037. How are you doing? So I'm building right now a oh, bro, I'm yeah, great to know that you're doing amazing. And as you can see right now, I'm building. This is not my final product, you know. Builder OS, this is going to be the platform for all the users, all like people like me or you, if you're also going to build something like a platform or a, you know, project. And with this one, this is just a started. I just started building this. This is not my final product. This is not my final project, which I can aiming to make a go, 1 crore rupees or like a 100K, 100K euros with this. This is gonna be like a project management or more like in a different way, not just a project management where you can also start to end. If you don't know how to, like you don't have any idea for your app or something, you can also first get the idea, then you can start building and completely start to end. So this is just started, and as you can see, I'm still building it. But are you new to this? Are you new to the stream, Coder? I'll be happy if you also subscribe, then you can also join my journey because once we completed the 500 subscriber, I'm going to launch something for my all subscribers. And okay, good to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, if you love, you can also subscribe to the stream and like as well. In that way, you can also join my journey. And then, because this is, I'm building this like in the realistic way, not something kind of like a scripted or creating like something already built it, you know, or like that. So then you guys can also learn like what needs to be do or what are the mistakes, and we can think I'm using Quen 3.5. Yeah, bro. So you're building something or what? So Coder, you're building something, any app or something. You know what, guys? I think I should also start. Is this something Discord? You know, is that the one which we can directly make a call with you guys on while I'm doing stream? Because I'm really excited to talk to you as well while I'm doing streaming. So it can be more interactive as well, right? And not just a chat, but also like to talk as well. I don't know. I never used this Discord in that way. If there's option, if anyone knows, you can guys tell me, or I'll do research for that. But I can see I have now two. Yeah, I am building something, but not with the vibe coding. Oh, okay, so you're a developer, and if you're new to the stream, I loved if you can guys subscribe as well. It's gonna in that way it can motivate me. So it's all up to you. Are you a full stack developer coder, or this is your or are you just doing this for like a hobby? Yeah, yeah, I'm doing cybersecurity stuff. Yeah, I know for the Mythos model. Of and what exactly you're building, um, like yes, in the cybersecurity, but what exactly is that? If you like to share your idea, or you already have something which we can also open in the browser. Hey, hi, Shankar. No, sorry, Shan Kapoor. Sorry if I pronounced wrong. If you're also new to the channel, Shan Kapoor, I love that if you subscribe as well, so you can join my community. Because once I completed 500 subscriber, I'm gonna launch something for my all subscribers. Because I'm building this community, all the Vibe Coder community, and I know that's it's not something sometimes easy to really just start doing the Vibe coding and you can become a successful in the overnight, right? This is like long journey and you need actually team players together or mates just start with the journey and help each other. So something is gonna come up when I complete the 500 subscribers. So what you're building, Shan, what you're building? I am Yes, definitely. I love to join Shan, your community as well. Is it where do you have the community? Is it the Discord or what? Because I'm also want to uh, because I also want to actually join the or start Discord channel or what is that? I haven't used that much Discord yet. What is it? Antivirus. I have built the base model now, but what I'm building is I'm building a new architecture for AI which uses a raw binary, so exe, and can simulate the app over what is that heuristic? Okay, okay, it sounds cool because I'm also I'm an IT manager, coder, so I also use a lot of different IT security tools, cyber security tool as well, and Threat Locker or some other AI tools as well. This is like a enterprise tools. So yes, if you're building something in a AI or in an security stream, I love to know, and I'm happy to, if somewhere I can also contribute. So, guys, if you're new to the stream again, I love if you can also subscribe. In that way, we will be connecting in the same community. Shan, can you share? Is it somewhere how I can join your community as well? Is this something you have a channel somewhere, or how is that? Oh, yeah, definitely. I'm going to have a because I'm right now. It's working on it. Um, this is my database. Okay, for now I will just hide it. Um, Let me just check quickly my because I'm using cloud, my cloud models. Uh, and this is a paid anyway. So that's why I'm actually using, the with a medium efforts because then it will not use all the tokens in a one go, and this is actually enough for me as well. Because if I use a high, it will be possibly really faster than this, but I'm fine with this, because I don't want to use all my tokens in the one go. Because it's doing my job, it's doing its job, and that's all. It's enough for me. I'm subscribed. Probably you can contribute because you have to get a lot of data to train the model. The antivirus based model was already trained on 10 billion terabyte plus data. I'm surprised. Probably you can't, oh sorry, you can contribute. Okay, okay, okay. You have to get a lot of data to train the models. Antivirus based model was already trained. But how you train the model? Did you already train that model, or are you about to train that model? So, is that something you, because I know that building a like a AI model, it's really expensive and hard stuff, and the base model it's already trained. So you trained that model by yourself. If it is that, then bro, it's great job. You did it already, because that's one of the then you don't have to spend you don't have to buy someone else model and use you can use your own model, and you can do the business with that. You can offer your model to other people. They can use in their platforms. Yeah, by myself. I ran it locally, so it didn't really cost me anything. Great, great, great job, bro. Great job, bro. And again, if I guys you are new to the stream, I love to know you as well, and I'm super excited as well to building this. And I will show you what I'm building. Hope this is will run. Yeah. So this is like not the actually core product what I'm going to build the, but this is going to be like actually everyone platform. Like everyone wants to have the platform like this. Every developer or a builder or a vibe coder, they wants to have this. So that's why I'm building this. So where you can also start your journey from start to end with this platform. I'll show you what I'm building. As you can see, this is like from idea to research to production to roadmap to task development testing. Everything will be going to cover in this platform, and I'm going to start using this one once I have completed this platform, for creating my projects and all. And I'm going to also deploy this project for public. Then all my vibe coders and my subscriber, specifically for my subscribers, so they can use it. Let's go. Yeah, it's now doing this. Okay, what is saying? Actually, the training part isn't the hard point, because if you pack everything in a numpy map, it's like 100,000x smaller, which is also remove file system overhead, but the download is taking long. Okay. I haven't trained any model yet, because I was actually trying to train one of the model, not a actually model, but when I was actually trying to create a voice with the AI, and I tried to actually create a model of myself by uploading my sound and everything, and that was, whoa, bro, that was taking too long time to just train with my voice, because I uploaded my sound, my own voice, 4 or 5 different files of that, and but it took like 4 or 5 hours, I think, to just train on that files. So then whenever I generate any music or any dialogues or any script, it's going to be generated with my own voice. It's look like my own voice, so if you're already done that part, bro, it's amazing. Yeah, bro. I mean, yes, definitely. I will do. Nowadays, I'm not using it that much, the voice thing. But yeah, I tried that, and I always got stuck. But definitely, I think now there is a lot of new platform, in the market. So okay, so this is just done. This is not yet built, but as you can see, there is a workspace. You can create a workspace as well. Build. No, this is not yet built. But you can create your. Oh, this is not yet done as well. Console. Create a workspace, a new project. No, not yet done. And take builder Akash. I don't make any voice model, because this will require more models, and the synthesizing part takes a lot of resource, which I don't. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that's the thing, because um, Yeah, 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 that's why also taking a lot of time because it's taking it used a lot of resources as well. That's true. Not find the found function. Oh, wait. I think is there a new Supabase? Oh yeah, that's why it's not working. So let me just go to the OS and the SQL editor. We go new. I have to run this query, otherwise I'll not able to create an workspace in my platform. As you can see now it's built, and we can also check database. Oh wait, bro, this is too much here. I can also organize workspace, and let's first organize profile, workspace members, space invites, and workspace as well. Okay, this is just to visualize, doesn't matter. Uh, the last thing I have built to train is so knowledge gap self circulating. I can't really explain it because of YouTube chat. No, it's fine. It's fine, completely fine. It just I'm really just understand, and it's really I'm happy to just listen that, at least some of the stuff of your about your models and all. So, and definitely after, if once I complete a 500 subscriber, I'm going to launch something which can be connect, which there's going to be surprise. I don't want to just break the surprise, but yeah. So let me create a workspace and take builder Akash. This is a app. I'm not. This is not actually the app which I'm trying to build. This is the app just I'm going to build first. We can use all the vibe coders and everyone can use in their journeys. Yeah, I have a NVIDIA GPU. Hey, hi Aditya. Aditya, right? Aditya Aryan. How are you doing, bro? If you're new to the channel, Aditya, I loved if you can subscribe as well. Then in that way you can also join the community, like the Vibe Coder community as well. And if you're also building something, if you want to build something, I love to hear as well. And if you already built it something, so then we can also review it. I love to review as well. I'm excited, you know. Now I can also. What is the error? UI menu is missing. Menu group part must be used within the menu group. Okay, we'll just copy it, refresh it. Okay, so let me go back here, just put the error, and then I just added here. Yeah, my laptop have a GPU, NVIDIA GPU. I'm using laptop, I'm not using a desktop or something. But I have a very strong laptop. Uh, yeah, it's getting harder now because I'm running live streaming and also now it's fixing some errors. But if you have a great, I can say more heating observer. No, I don't know what exactly the fan. The heating fan. Then you can also use that one as well. But if you also have any stand, then it can be also lesser. And it can be a little bit better than the normal because as I can just check my heat, it's still okay. I can still survive this stream. I'm doing the stream since last. Is it a 3 hours or is it a 2 hours? Let me check. See when I started the stream. This is my last stream 7 hours ago. Uh, yeah, when I started this, yeah, almost 2 hours. Almost I complete 2 hours. So let's go back here. Okay, the issue is fixed, as I can see. Yeah, now I'm able to click on this one. Sorry, it's not visible to you, but I can show you here. Now I'm able to click here. Uh, you can see this one, Tech Builder. This is my manage workspace. Yeah, I can also change the color, save changes, change the color. Members, I can also invite members as well with their email IDs. I can make them an admin or something, and I'll take danger zone. I can also delete the workspace as well. Also code any programming languages. Yeah, also, honestly saying that I'm not that big coder, but I know some coding, but I'm not like a big coder. I'm using all vibe coding and AI tools as well. But I already successfully built some of the application with that previously as well, and now I'm also building. I can show you um, brand scan AI. It is also like a enterprise level application I built, which is also compared to Peak AI. If you are aware of the Peak AI as well, I also build this application compared to this one, taking inspiration from that. So I know how to build the applications, how to set a database, how to do security scanning, how to check build a nice UI and all. Just don't looking at this AI, this UI. It's shitty at the moment, but later on you can also see nice UI for this. You can also go back here. What else? Create workspace, more workspace, and this is having right now all the demo data, but let me just go back to ChatGPT. Where is my next phase? I just built the workspace management, and now I'm going to build. Yes, yes, that's true. Earlier the UI is it's building really hard stuff earlier, but now it's really nice. With the AI, you can build whatever you like, whatever you feel. Um, but now, you know what? I'm going to stop the stream now, and I'll be back as well, possibly today, or I'll be back tomorrow, and we will continue building this application, and we'll have more fun. So thank you, Coder. We'll see you tomorrow. Um, and or possibly I will start streaming again after some hours, but because it's like 10 19 10:20 in Netherlands timing in European time, but I will see you tomorrow, possibly tomorrow or in later on if you're still waking up, because then this will be more like US people, they wake up, they're watching my stream. So see you later, and thank you for watching. And if you like my stream, like, comment, and also subscribe. Uh, yeah. Oh, great! You also from Germany. Great, nice, great. So then I'll see you again. Yeah. So bye bye. See you. Bye bye. Bye. Take care.